Okay, this is a screenshot of what the participants list will look like. Now, remember that you always turn on your participant list when you join Zoom. There are 33 people here in this meeting, and here is everybody's name. These are all faculty members. This is what you're going to see if you're monitoring the participants list. There are possibilities for people to raise hands. They can say yes, no, go slower, go faster. So this is what you're going to be doing. So if you're monitoring the participants list and you see a hand raised, then you need to remind the person who's speaking there's a question. And you can say, for example, let's say this is Shirley. You can say, Shirley has her hand raised. Shirley, do you have a question? And then Shirley will be able to ask the question that she needs to ask at this time. So this is what you're going to be doing, monitoring the chat room and monitoring the participant list and looking for the symbols so you know how to help the people presenting. And you're going to do it that way, okay? So this is for the person managing the participants list. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like with the chat area open. So when you come into your Zoom meetings, always click on the participant list. This is for everybody. And always click on the chat. If you do that, everything will be open and available. This is what it looks like when they are both pressed. Okay, so I want to just look at the chat room right now. People, as you know, people will be typing down here. So you're going to type down here if you have a question, click return, and it'll go up. Now, because I'm the only one here right now, all of these chats are all together, but other people will be in here chatting, and I'll be doing it too because I want to make sure that we're using the chat room. So this is what I typed. I have a question, someone might say that, and then people might be asking questions or typing comments. So if you're watching the chat area, you're going to be looking over here and you're going to see what comes up, and maybe there will be nothing, but maybe someone will say something, and then you're going to need to be able to let me pull this up here just a second. You're going to need to be able to respond and help the speaker understand what's happening. So again, when you come into Zoom, always click on your participants area and always click on your chat area. So everything, and I'm going to put the chat up here. So everything will be, will be open over here. Okay. And that's your job, is to monitor the chat. Somebody else will be up here monitoring the participants list and seeing if there are any questions. And that's what you need to do. Okay.